Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show how we can create a responsive button. So first of all, I'm going to click on this text icon here. Okay. Then I'm going to write here button. Okay. Then I'm going to click on shift key and then hold the shift key and then click on A. Okay. This is a shortcut to create auto layout. Okay. Now I'm going to add fill to this button. Okay, then I would give a color to it. Okay, and then let's skip the text to white, and also you can edit the button radius a little bit here. Okay, that's it. Yeah. Okay, so let me show you, like if you want to create a component also here, you can make a component. Then if you take a copy of this and now you want to change the text here, okay, you don't want this text, you want to change the text. See now how this layout, this frame will resize according to this text inside the button. So this is how you can create a responsive button. Okay, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.